So before we begin, make sure you're wearing headphones because this is binaural and you'll get a better representation of what I'm hearing here in this room if you're wearing some decent headphones. Okay, so this is a quick binaural sound demo. I'm actually wearing the mics on my head, so you can kind of get an idea how it sounds as I move around. But also, I'm going to test to see how it sounds with this vertical surround on and off.
Flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can we feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we do it, won't stop turning.
So that's off.
So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted.
I'll turn it back on.
All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like
You walk around.
if it's real, 'cause when we're doing it, where the wheels stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little foolish. We're so young, let's go a little crazy and lose it.
All right, let's try a different track here. Turn it surround off. Turn it back on. Next track. Turn surround off. Back on. Now I have the bass turned up to 3, turn it back down to 0. That's max. Alright, so you see it switch over to Dolby Atmos.